Hello everyone, in this video I am gonna show you how to fix apps keeps stopping error in Android phone. So watch this video carefully. The first basic thing is just go to your phone setting, then scroll down and to open the apps or apps manager, where find out the particular app which is getting this error. So whatever app, just open up. For an example, I open this app which is getting error. Now click on clear data to clear cache and then clean the all data. You can also force to stop and restart again the apps. So this is the first method. If it's not working, then go to your Play Store, then click on My Apps and here find out the app which getting error and then update on this particular app. Hope so these two methods fix your problem.